Samsung Interior Film. DIY interior film installation is easy, fast, and ensures perfect application. Installation methods by shape. Kitchen cabinet. Step 1. Surface attachment. Place the film on the object, peel off a part of the release paper, and press gently with your thumb to secure the top of the film. Slowly peel off the release paper and apply the film by pressing it from the center to the left and right direction. When using a squeegee, press it against the film at a 45-degree angle while applying the film. After applying the film, cut the corners at a diagonal angle. When applying on walls, use the squeegee to press and fix the edges. Then remove the extra material with the squeegee and cutter. Step 2. Corner attachment. Use your finger to fold the film slightly along the edge, creating a guideline. Use the squeegee and dryer, heat gun, to attach the film on the side. Cut the edge at a diagonal angle and attach the diagonally cut section. Then remove the overlapping parts. Turn the object upside down and remove the excess film. If any parts are protruding, use the dryer, heat gun, and squeegee to stretch and shape the film. Finish by shaping with your hands and squeegee, completing the side attachment as described earlier. Install smaller areas in the same way, removing unnecessary extra film with a cutter. Installation methods by shape. Round table. Step 1. Round shape surface attachment. Place the film on the round object, peel off a part of the release paper, and press gently with your thumb to secure the edges. Slowly peel off the release paper, using a squeegee, to apply the film from the edges to the larger surface. When bubbles occur, use a cutter or pin to make small hole, and remove the air using a squeegee. Gently press with your thumb to finish it. Step 2. Round shape heat treatment. Use a dryer, heat gun, and gently pull the film, and stretch it to fit the shape of the round table. Start from the top of the side and proceed to the bottom to apply the film. After attaching the film, turn the table over. Use the dryer, heat gun, to attach on the other side, and remove the excess film. After final trimming, use the dryer, heat gun, and squeegee to completely adhere the product. Summary of the entire installation process. To summarize the work so far, the following steps have been completed. Thank you for watching.